like a sweet, tongue-tied to service like sugary tea. Baking soda and vinegar balloon experiment.
Introduction of project. Project is about gas and chemical reactions by discovering how to inflate a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Background and knowledge. Vinegar is an acidic solution. An acid is any substance that forms hydrogen ions in water. Baking soda is a basic non-acidic and chemical compound, sodium bicarbonate. Conclusion. Baking powder is made by combining baking soda with an acidic ingredient, such as tartaric acid or calcium acid. Take a look at a recipe for quick bread. If the recipe includes baking soda but no baking powder, it will probably also include an ingredient that's acidic, such as buttermilk, sour milk, or orange juice. Our learning and development. Introduction with the procedure of project-based learning. First, experience with project-based learning. Scientific terms like acid-base, chemistry of baking soda and vinegar, development of collaborative skills, development of communication skills, development of experimental skills, development of presentation skills.